Hi everybody, this is Schmitty's Kettle Corn, and today we're going to make some Old Bay Kettle Corn. Old Bay is actually, in my opinion, very overrated, and it's one of the most overrated things ever, but if you're in Maryland, it's like a religion here, and it's like that's what everybody likes here, and they put it on their seafood, so I'm actually today going to make an Old Bay Kettle Corn myself, and Old Bay is pretty much, I've done it a few different ways before. I've actually used to make it with a cheddar, a white cheddar, and then I made it by itself without any sugar on it. Well, now I'm actually making an Old Bay Kettle Corn. Old Bay Kettle Corn is a little sugar, just like you would with the kettle corn, and then instead of putting salt on it, you just throw in the Old Bay. And today we're going to do Old Bay Kettle Corn as our special flavor today. We'll see how many we sell today. It actually has been selling pretty well. I made it a few times before, and we're going to get going on starting here, and then we'll go from there. Cut it off. All right, so we got our batch here ready to go. We've been had a busy day today. We're gonna basically just toss this in here, and we're gonna just basically shake on the. And what the nice thing about this, when you get done popping the popcorn, if it's warm or warmer, the popcorn flavors will stick a little bit better versus if it's already cooling. So when you get your batch already done, you just toss it in right away. And what I like to do is basically fill it up halfway, and then I have my Old Bay seasoning here. You pretty much get this in any supply store. A lot of people love it. I personally don't think I don't care for it. You know, it's actually not bad on wings, but I'm not a fan of it on popcorn. So, but hey, to each their own, right? If you want to buy it and eat it, it's up to you, right? So that's what the kettle corn Old Bay looks like. And I can already smell the seasoning on it. And then I basically mix it around, get that in there a little bit more. And then I add some more popcorn. Throw in a little bit more Old Bay. All right, take it on one more time. And boom. All right. All right, guys, this is how you make kettle corn Old Bay. Any more recipe requests or ideas on how you want to make some flavors, please follow me on Facebook. My business is Schmidt's Kettle Corn, and on YouTube. Also, feel free to leave a comment of what you want to see. Eventually, I like to do some white chocolate and cookies and cream. Also, maybe some caramel apple. I heard that's another good one for sale. And if you have any further questions, feel free to ask below. All right, guys, thanks for following, and this is Schmidt's Kettle Corn. Say goodbye.